speed, every topic is very beautifully covered, sir. In speed, there were many grant tests, sir. That is very useful for me. I used to learn topic very thoroughly.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Vuduthala Likhitha for scoring a topmost rank of 3 in DM Respiratory Medicine Group in NEET SS session 2025. Congratulations to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Doctor, can we know a brief background about yourself? I mean, where you started till total year?
Yeah. Yes, sir. I'm Dr. V. Likhitha, sir. I'm from Hyderabad. I completed my MBBS and post graduation both from Gandhi Medical College, Hyderabad, sir.
Excellent.
Yes,
And also I want to thank you for sparing your time and to allocate to discuss your experiences with us and to the students. Thank you very much for that.
yes, sir. Thank you.
And can we know what was your preparation strategy? How did you prepare to achieve this topmost rank?
Yes, sir. Actually, I completed my residency in 2025, sir. In February 2025, I completed my post-graduation exams. And later, I joined my senior residency, sir, in same Gandhi Medical College, Hyderabad. I started preparing myself for this entrance exam just 3 months before, sir, exam. I used to learn topics very thoroughly from reading Fishman, sir. And also, I used to solve question bank and I used to write as many as GT, sir, from speed. Actually, in speed, every topic is very beautifully covered, sir. In speed, there were many grant tests, sir. That is very useful for me.
Very good. Thanks for sharing, doctor. And can we know about the paper? How many questions were you able to attend? What is your opinion on the paper for you?
Yes, sir. Actually, this year it was somewhat little bit difficult, sir, compared to last year. There were 150 questions, sir, and it was divided into three sections, sir. And we have to solve 50 questions in that timer only. Somewhat, there were no such factual based questions or the straightforward questions, sir. All are like case based scenarios only, and all are regarding like conceptual questions only, sir.
Okay, doctor. Very good. Doctor, what will be your advice for the future aspirants of DM Pulmonary Medicine Group?
Believe in yourself. That's it, sir. And consistency is the key. During my preparation, my husband is he has played such a vital role, sir. He has been my constant support, and my family and my parents, my in-laws. I want to thank each of them.
Great, great. Now, who introduced speed to you and what was your experience speed for your exam?
Actually, my senior, sir, he got some All India eighth rank, sir. Like he's my mentor, sir, to take speed.
Okay, great, doctor. So, yeah, you were about to say something.
Uh, that's it, sir. Believe in yourself. That's
Okay, great.
During my preparation, I was not thinking about my result. I just believed in myself, and I trusted in my process. That's it.
Very nice.
I
Very
think I
nice. Very good. So it is, you have clarity, focus, and your dedication, hard work, and perseverance could be seen through what the way you communicate to us. We wish you all the best and all the success for a great and
thank you,
wonderful and amazing career in DM Pulmonary Medicine. Best wishes.
thank you,
Thank you.
thank you so much.